Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to easily fix your Instagram notes. So if the new Instagram feature, the notes feature, is not showing up in your account, here's what you can do to fix it. So we start by making sure that your Instagram app is up to date. We go to your app store and search for Instagram. And as you can see here, it is updated. So first you need to check if your app is updated, and then you go ahead and just open it from there. From here you have to just carefully follow up with me. We'll start by, if you have a professional account, you'll have to go and switch it back to a personal account. So let's go ahead and do that. First, you tap on the picture on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then we tap on the three lines on the top right corner, and then we tap on settings. From here we search under for professionals, we tap on business tools and controls, and then we tap on switch account type, and then switch to personal account and hit on next. And here you go, you can see it says switch to personal account. This should solve the problem, and if it didn't, just follow up with me again. You're gonna have to go switch your personal account back to a professional account and then back again to a personal account. So let's go ahead and do that quickly right now. We go back to your profile and then tap on the three lines and then settings, and then under for professionals we tap on business tools and controls again, and then switch to professional account. Hit on continue, just skip those steps very quickly because we're gonna switch it back to personal in 1 minute. And now as you can see, we are on a professional account. So as I said, we're gonna have to go back and switch it back to personal. Go back to settings and then business tools and controls, and then switch back to personal account. Wait for another second here, and here you go, switch to personal account. Now this should fix your problem. It has solved it for me, but if for some reason the notes feature is still not showing up in your account, we still have hope. We still have one last step we can do. So follow up with me. Now from here we go back to your profile and tap on the three lines, go back to settings. Now this time we're gonna scroll down till we find help. We tap on it and then go report a problem without shaking, and then here you can choose whether you want to include logs and diagnostics or not. I'll choose not to. Here you'll just describe your problem to the Instagram team and they should get back to you in a short time. Here is an example of a message you can send. Now don't take this word to word, of course, you can say whatever you want. Just make sure you explain the problem, that you don't have the feature on your account right now. And here you go guys. I hope one of these three methods has worked for you. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Also don't forget to subscribe for solutions for such problems. Thank you.